Hey, it's Terry and the guide inside. How to get a response from your spirit guide instantly. That's the third video in this series. In the first one it was the arm, the second one it was the body sway, and today we are using glasses. And this is I've talked about this on the channel before, and I gotten some really cool comments of people going, "What? They move! The glasses move by themselves! What is happening here?" It is using the glasses as a pendulum. And what you do is that you open them up and you balance the glasses on your index finger. I'll show you. Like this. And I ask, what is a yes? And I back and forth. I'm exaggerating now. I'm doing it now. This is a yes. And I ask, what is a no? And it turns sideways. So the movement started by itself, but now I'm exaggerating it. And as I said, it's the ideomotor effect in your body doing this, small muscles moving, but you're not controlling that movement. So the question is, who is, right? I believe it's spirit, or your intuition, your gut feeling, whatever you want to call it, the universe. This is a fun way and a very easy way to go shopping. If you want to, ask, are these good for me, these apples? And now I got a no. And a big no. big no. Of course, spirits understands this is just, teaching. And yeah, if you can measure the amount of swing, because if it's now it's like a fun big no, right? But if you get a big movement, then it's a big no. And if you get a small one, it's like no, it's a no, but maybe not that serious of a no. What do you think of this? Will you test it? Does not matter what kind of glasses, whatever you have available. Put them, balance them here. Now it's still moving by itself. And just have fun with it. I find it's, yes, it's valuable information. Don't trust it, like for big decisions. In the first video I talked about with using the hand. I shared my favorite method that I trust the most at the end of that video. Part 1, I call it. But it's a fun thing to do, and it helps you, and it also makes you more aware of communicating with the spirit world, because I strongly believe that your, I don't know if you want to call them psychic powers or whatever, it kind of increases the more you focus on and communicate with the universe. And using the glasses is a fun way to have a conversation. I have been guided. I made a video once about how I was guided to a wonderful place to have a cup of coffee in a city I don't know. So, play with it. That's the main message. Don't ask, should I quit my job, and then wait for the glasses to respond to that. Now, watch part 1. That's the best method in my experience. What is your experience? You think this is crazy talk, or I don't know? You tell me. The comments are open. Tomorrow I will share with you, because many people say there are no signs in my life. There's no response from the spirit world. They don't guide me. They have left me. And I'm here to tell you that, so what we talked about these 3 days is how to get an answer, but how to notice their help in your daily lives is the video tomorrow. I find it, when I realized this, it was a big aha moment for me. And if you're one of those who are struggling with, there's nothing, just me here. Watch that, because that really, I think, will help you. Yeah, so that's the video that will be published 24 hours after this video is published. See you then.